Welcome to Fallback YouTube channel. And if you have been looking for admission or trying to gain admission into any of the Nigerian tertiary institution and you have not been able to, Fallback channel is where you ought to be. So if you have not subscribed, or perhaps this is your first time of coming across this channel, you want to subscribe, like, and switch on the notification bell so you get every video will immediately post. Now, what I quickly want to show us this moment is how to use the JAMB Brochure efficiently. Now, thousands and millions of students every year make serious mistake when it comes to the issue of JAMB registration, and honestly it's not their fault. It's just simply because many are just doing some of these things for the first time. They don't even understand how the process works and all, and the unfortunate truth is nobody is there to put them on the right track. Nobody is there to guide them. Even some parents don't understand the new process of how some of these things works, and that is why you need to watch this video till the end so you have a very good grasp of understanding of how the JAMB Brochure works and how it should be used. But the first thing I establish is what is JAMB Brochure in its real self. Now, JAMB Brochure is the database JAMB has provided for students, parents, guardian to ensure they get adequate and right information. Now, some students, some parents tends to always go to Google to get information that they need as regards registration or school of or choice of school, choice of course, and all. But the honest truth is, going online or going to Google ChatGPT is not actually where to go to when it comes to getting adequate information. Rather, it is the JAMB Brochure. So, work with me as I quickly show you how to use the JAMB Brochure in less than 5 minutes. Now, the JAMB Brochure, like I said, is where you can find any information that you have been looking for as regards the choice of school, as regards your subject combination and whole. But then I will just run us through the platform. Aside that, I also shows how to make use of it in the next video I'm going to be dropping on how to use it to confirm the subject combination. But for now, we are just concerned about the general use of the JAMB Brochure. Now, the first thing you want to look at here is you can see I went to a link which is ibass.jamb.gov.ng. That is the link to go to. If I refresh this link, surely be getting the same outcome. So that is where you should actually go to as well on your Android phone or whatever phone you're using, or even on your laptop. As you can see, I'm recording with a laptop. So right, go to iBASS.jam.gov.ng. Once you get here, it might seem a bit confusing, but just chill and just go. Now, the first thing you're going to see is the dashboard, which is the dashboard that JAMB has provided, just to show you how to use the project. If you can,
A step-by-step guide through your JAM
step-by-step
journey.
guide
Ensure you have registered your
to
A step-by-step guide through your
understand
JAM journey.
how you
Ensure
need
you have
to do
registered
your
your
registration
NIN and
and
confirm
all.
your
But then
details.
we are not concerned about that. We are seriously concerned about how to use the JAMB Brochure, right? So we go to JAMB Brochure, which is our main focus, right? Now, when you go to JAMB Brochure, you click on it, you see all the Nigerian school that exist as far as I'm concerned at the moment. Every of the schools are here. I think more than hundreds of schools, more than 200 schools. In fact, any school that exists that you cannot find on the JAMB Brochure, it's fake. It's not real. It's not a real school. For every accredited school, will surely be on JAMB Brochure. That's why I tell students, don't fall to scam school. If you want to confirm if the school you're applying to is recognized, just come to JAMB Brochure and search for them. Search for OAU, for instance. You should be able to find anything that is related to OAU, and also just come search for your school, but then you have to always put the real name there to confirm if your school is accredited or if your school is recognized by JAMB. Now, aside the fact that you understand that every of the school are here, the next question is how do you tend to select your school very very fast, right? Now, if you, as you can see, institution, we have three options here. We have institution that are NCE, institution that are ND, institution that are degree awarding. These are universities. Degree awarding institution and university. ND is polytechnic, NC is college of education, right? But we are concerned about degree awarding institution, right? So I've picked degree awarding institution. The next thing is I want to check what kind of degree awarding institution do I want to look out for, like which school or where does your school fall to under the degree and institution. So as you can see, we have several degree awarding institutions. We have the one that we categorize to the Federal University, Federal University of Agriculture, Federal University of Tech, private state, State University of Technology, and all like that, right? But let's just use federal universities as example, right? So once I pick federal universities, the filter will filter out every other school and leave only federal universities, right? So for instance, let's say I want to look out for the courses that are in Unilag now. So I just want to go to University of Lagos. So to save me time and stress, I think I would just prefer searching. Just go to University of Lagos. So me searching for University of Lagos, I should get a response if that is what University of Lagos is recognized with on JAM. If I don't get any response, then the JAM database does not recognize University of Lagos as University of Lagos. So what does it recognize it as? Surprising. Oh, here we go. University of Lagos. I don't know why it's not popping it out at first. But here you can see University of Lagos State. So all you need to do is just go to view course. So once you tap view course, you would see all the whole courses that are offered in University of Lagos. So this is how you confirm if the course you're applying to is present in the school you want to go to. Then you can actually step forward by checking the details for each of the course. And this is where you see the requirement of every course. Like you can see accountancy, we have this direct entry requirement, this is the O-level requirement. So what Unilag is saying that is that if you want to come and study in accounting in our school, you must have English, math, economics, compulsory, and any two subjects from geography, further maths, and now, see, the honest truth is, one thing is to know how to use the JAMB Brochure, another thing is to know how to interpret. The major challenge of some students is how to interpret it. Like, look at this word, for instance, subject from following geography. Some students don't actually know how to interpret some of these things. In fact, there are some tough terminologies that you see that you don't know how to interpret, and that is where you actually need someone to guide you. So, if you need a guide or a guiding angel, and you don't want to stress yourself with any of these things, you can reach out to FOBAC for a guide. We only charge a token for pre-registration consultation. At the moment, during this video, we only charge 2,000 naira just to ensure we guide you all through the process and ensure you don't make any mistakes. So this is just the basic understanding you need as far as checking and using the JAMB Brochure is concerned. I hope you get value for this, and the next topic or the next thing I'm going to be talking about is how to pick or make the right decision of subject combination. Or you don't want to miss the next video, I suggest you subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you get notification when the next video pops up. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section